So here is question number 1, and it just simply asks you to sketch the graph of this function, write down the coordinates of the local maximum or minimum, and the equation of the axis of symmetry. And I've already drawn my axes, and to be honest, first thing I do is get my calculator and plug in the equation and graph it so that you can see what it should look like. This being a sketch, we just need to be somewhat accurate in the way it looks, and so I know it's opening up and it crosses and then looks something like that based on what my calculator was telling me. And so the one thing, we know it's at +5, that's the y-intercept, so we can actually sort of mark a 5 there, and that's my sketch. That's all that's really necessary. Then I want you to write down the coordinates of the local maximum or minimum. So again, I go back to my calculator. Is the quickest, easiest way to handle this, and I'm going to calculate the minimum. So number 3, set my cursor to the left of the minimum, so there's to the left, and then remember to use the left-right arrows to move the cursor, not up-down. That won't help. There's my right bound, and we already talked about this. This should be 1.5, and then y is 0.5, and they are asking you to write down the coordinates. So for part B, you need 1.5x and 0.5y. So for part B, 1.5. And there's the coordinates, and then find the equation of the axis of symmetry. Well, the axis of symmetry is going there at the vertex. So see, the thing you have to be careful about is it is an equation, and so you have to say x is equal to, that makes it the equation, 1.5. And there you've solved question 1.